Depends on what it is.
Alright, rip them open.
Video. Video.
Come on, Richie.
Can you sit down? I can't see you. Sit down, open your present.
Whoa, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, thank you for giving me that.
Hello.
Thank you for what?
Turn it over. To the
Oh,
other side.
Gee, that's mine. I'm
What did
hungry.
you get?
Nine.
Who is that?
What'd you get, Sophia?
What?
That's a good movie.
Who is that?
What
That's
is
awesome,
Katy Perry movie.
Her
Sophia,
comedy.
who is that?
It's kind of sad though.
Is that Katy Perry?
What is Sophie?
It's a Katy Perry movie.
She loves Katy Perry.
Oh, really?
Loves her.
Yes,
Really?
that's when she goes to
You
the
like
room, I have that
Katy
Katy Perry costume, or not costume,
Yeah, it's a
poster.
Katy Perry
And
movie.
then she's like, Katy Perry.
Oh, wow.
Katy Perry and Taylor Swift. Just
Oh, really? Oh, man. I saw a bunch of Taylor Swift stuff.
Okay,
Like
oh
you
yeah.
and me.
Didn't she?
It's kind of hot in
like
this
that.
here.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You can turn it off, I don't need
They're
it.
gonna be a few years.
I think anyone's too cold.
Alright.
Yeah,
Okay,
we got the
let her
body.
open up a few more.
We got enough bodies
Let's
in
open
here.
up some more.
Yeah,
Look at that.
let's do a count how many she had. Let's narrow down how many she had, then we'll start the rest of the
Open
openings.
that one? Okay. Start ripping.
You probably have the second most. Yeah, 6 there.
1, 2, 3,
Good
4,
rip.
5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Good work, Sophia. 3.5. Well, actually 3. This one's from Santa. Little rip.
Can you turn the box over and see what you got?
Let's see.
Turn it over. Let's see the other side.
Take
Tear it
all
all the way
the
open.
paper off.
Yeah. That was gonna take a while.
You can turn the box over.
There you go.
There you go.
Tear it all.
Tear it off.
Careful, he doesn't like his
Maybe
toothbrush.
Andrea can help you a little bit.
Oh, he's happy.
Okay, what did you get?
Oh, cute.
Medical kit. She did a doctor kit?
You're gonna be a doctor.
Let's see,
Like
Sophia.
Dr. Stuffins.
Can you hold it up?
Sophia, can you hold it up for Grandpa? Show Grandpa what you got.
What's that?
Here, face it towards him.
Yeah, you
Oh,
gotta
boy.
Wow.
Nice.
Look at Grandpa.
Cool. Nice.
Cool. Alright, let's put that over here. Yeah, should we open some more?
What'd she say?
I'm gonna be a doctor.
Should we open some
Oh,
more?
that's adorable.
He's explaining yours.
We've
She's
been
gonna take
playing with
care of
all
you
your
when I'm
toys
old.
there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's open some more. Pick another gift.
Oh, this one.
This one's from Grandma Hegemeyer. You want to open that? Oh boy, what is that?
Maybe laptop?
You got your
wow.
very own laptop.
Oh my.
It even comes with a
The big
mouse.
tech. You didn't get a tablet?
Tablet. No iPad.
Yeah.
Oh, good thing I didn't buy the
Can I see, Sophia?
Can you show it to Grandpa?
She almost had 2 laptops.
Hold it up and show me.
Turn it around.
That was probably
Turn it
cooler
around.
when oh yeah, that's way better than when I was
That
looking
one's kind of big, huh?
Wow.
Oh boy, good
So
job.
I'm gonna be
Yeah.
a computer.
Can you turn it to Mom? Ready? Smile.
at. Daddy will train you.
Good job.
Okay, Leah.
Okay. Let's see what Leah got. Should we let Leah open a present?
Yeah, let's deal with it.
That's you.
Yeah, all my friends have a new one with the front facing camera.
Yeah, I know. Cameras, yeah. That's an old 2G.
Go ahead, Grandma.
It still works. I just have to put all the stuff.
Hey, can I see your
Open another one?
Can I see your ATM, Sophia?
I wasn't sure if you want it now or if you
Sophia, can you show me? Sophia. Sophia. Sophia, show me your ATM. Can I see it?
Becky, thank you.
Hold it up. No, the other. Show me that.
fully charged.
Show me that right there.
My favorite.
Can you turn it around?
Loves this.
What's it called?
Turn it around.
Love spells.
Oh, really?
Turn it around. There you go.
Sorry, that's for some.
Wow, that's cool.
I didn't think that I got you.
All right.
8 p.m.
Okay, thank you. You can open up your other present
The
now.
money now.
So do you still have...
Oh, what is that?
Thompson sing.
Let's see, Leah.
Cute.
Or Leah.
Sophia.
Sorry.
Sophie, turn around so
Let's see.
Look at that.
Wow, wow.
You push his tummy.
Thanks for the socks.
Push his tummy
They
in.
are gold too, appreciate that.
You're welcome.
I didn't want white, that's okay.
Oh.
I had enough white socks.
Oh.
I was trying to get more like dressy, like, you know,
Always
tan
do it
black.
wrong.
No,
I
no,
thought
no.
everyone could always use white socks.
No, I know. No, I have gone through, you know, a lot of my own pairs I've had for
Nice.
10 years
All
now.
right.
So
Can you hold it up for
I
Mama?
always need more. Thank you. I want to
Ready?
try them on right
Can you
now.
say
They look warm.
cheese?
They look comfy, don't they?
Awesome. Let's see what he does. Let's just touch it.
Let me know when you open up Mila's little 10. Did she get a 10 thing? You want to do that now?
You can do that now.
Do that now.
Should we open one
What'd you get?
from the other
Let
one?
Becky see, because it's special.
A lot of takes me. Time's a little long.
Sleep.
Oh, very, very pretty.
Yes.
Lots of socks.
More socks.
Well, she
Yeah,
has
I'll
enough.
full socks.
Good. More little onesies.
We're not done yet.
Oh boy.
We won't need the Zoom if you have that.
Oh, that's
You
cute.
can transfer all the stuff
Poke
from
it out,
Zoom
they're
right
always
here.
cute.
Yeah. Look at those little
There's
pants.
no reason to use the Zoom if you have an iPad.
Those are adorable.
So outdated. I hated that thing.
And that's the next size up.
It's so silly. You can't do anything with it.
Thank
it?
you.
That's all of them.
That's pretty much where I'd rather.
Here, put them back in the
I don't want smartphone. I don't want.
I love that sleeper. It's so
Right,
strong.
for a
Yeah.
Wi-Fi, no.
Yeah.
That's a
Here
Carter's.
you have to get
I love it.
the wireless Wi-Fi thing.
More ribbon.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's a Play-Doh factory.
Oh my.
What?
Woo. Boy, we're going to have fun babysitting Sophia.
Wow.
Wow.
Let us know whenever you need to go on a date.
New Year's Eve?
We'll have fun playing with Sophia.
New Year's Eve.
More.
Oh boy.
You don't want anything to do with the bags. You just want to rip.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm having fun watching
You are getting all kinds of fun stuff.
You are what they call spoiled.
Oh yeah. All that Play-Doh stuff? Yeah.
No, what's the thing we got to cover?
It's right here.
Well, that was from
Right. Your brownie is.
Ooh,
Brownie's hiding
more
it.
You
upstairs.
did get some later.
No, I thought the other thing.
Play-Doh.
Yeah.
No cereal.
All the Play-Doh
Now
stuff?
your Play-Doh.
No.
Go with your Play-Doh box.
The
Yeah.
little electronic.
Yeah, it's in that ho-ho-ho
I
box.
figured.
Ho-ho-ho bag.
Oh, it's in the gift bag.
You can play with your new
Got my
table.
own.
Is that from Becky?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Let me smell it.
Welcome.
Adrian.
Do you got the other? Oh, that was just that one.
Oh my gosh, can I eat it?
I know it smells
It
good.
smells like a smoothie.
Saw your card.
Oh, we're gonna open it
Yeah.
when we're all done with presents.
I
Okay?
can't stop. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
all
eat
this
it.
stuff left, Sophie.
Yeah, you got more.
Oh yeah. Oops, I
Look
dropped
in the
it.
bag.
I'm so
Look in this
excited.
bag.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, well, I was going to say, since you guys share stuff so often, since I kind of did this as a last minute thing, you want to share your gift with her, try to get her, as much as I normally would.
what?
Gift her.
Oh yeah.
Just because I got her, just kind of, I kind of decided on this at the last minute. Just about
What's in there?
more, so. If you guys want to share, your cards.
Thanks, Becky. $25. Nice card. Yeah, look, Becky gave me $25.
More books.
Wow, nice. What?
As much as that
Where,
is
anywhere?
together.
I don't know. What?
Is this anywhere?
It's an Amazon gift card.
Oh, just online? There's a book I want to get.
Yeah. We'll read them later. There's more books in there.
Do you have more to open for yourself? Okay.
There's more.
Did Justin's mom give her books?
I did.
Oh, those are not.
There's some more in there. What else did you get?
Oh, yeah.
You got strawberry shortcake.
Right on.
Look,
Thank you.
You're welcome.
strawberry shortcake.
And more forbidden fruit. Oh,
Yeah. We do it
at
at night
night.
when she's in bed, peanut butter sandwiches.
Yeah, there you go.
We indulge.
Oh, thank you, Matthew.
Oh, what? Oh, I'm sorry. I guess I did get some.
Wow, thank you.
Tricked ya.
Cool.
Oh, yeah.
Excellent.
Go ahead.
All right.
There you go.
Justin, open. Matthew? I'm sorry.
Hold on, so I want to get a picture.
I'm getting there. I'm trying to videotape and
Those are just stay at home. I just didn't. Dad wanted me to have your own.
Thanks, Dad.
you're welcome.
So
Those
you're
are
not-
all yours.
So you're not staying here.
Thanks, Dad.
Isn't that cute? Look at that.
Gingerbread house.
Yeah, gingerbread house purse with a gingerbread man.
Oh, you gingerbread man. Gingerbread lady.
Guess where I got that? I got that at Dan's school in the gift shop. Century College gift shop.
Leah, I want to see you open something else.
You gonna put the ginger lady back in there?
Popcorn, yay.
Yeah, that's right.
Isn't that cute? A little top. Can you
Can I
hold
see
that
it?
up?
Can you hold it up, Sophia?
That's from Grandpa.
Cute, what is that?
It's a lantern that, it's a nighttime lantern.
Oh,
Can you smile for Grandpa? Can you smile?
Yours like that?
No. There you go. You'll like it. It makes song. It's the song. Song. Press the top. Press the top. Oh, I'm going to have to turn it on first.
Yeah, I can get some.
Becky, can you help Sophia turn on the lantern?
Andrea's right there.
On the side, there's Grandpa's trying to video for
You know,
you.
you got something else here.
I think that's the,
Get a picture, quick.
Dad.
Hold on, he's busy.
Quick.
Busy.
Someone get me.
What's he doing?
He has a bow.
I got it.
And then you're in a back.
I got it.
That's perfect.
I'm turning it on. Let's
It's like
see.
a gift pack. Wrapped in wrapping paper.
See, it has a daytime
You do amazing things, girl.
and it has a nighttime. So
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. You like yours?
it has a night light for nighttime, and then you can play it for the daytime too.
That's perfect for soups and stews and casseroles.
Turn it, face it this way.
Also nice. Thank you.
Metal utensils.
What pants? Yeah, I was thinking about those too. I think we could use some of those. I figured someone else would
Yeah.
buy
Who's
some.
that from? Justin?
Oh, yeah.
Hold that up. Sophia.
Yourself?
Sophia. Sophia, look what I got.
It doesn't look like her though. Does that look like Taylor? She has her face hidden.
That's her street look.
Yeah.
That's how she looks when she's, not trying to be
Thank
seen.
you. Welcome.
That's her incognito look.
Do you want, Mike, I'm opening yours. Does it matter? You need a picture?
You can go in that room and sleep up. Daddy didn't vacuum.
Andrea, there's my favorite picture for...
Hey Sophia, can I see you sweep up?
That's cute.
Show Grandpa how you sweep.
Let me see you sweep up.
Go over there. Sweep, sweep. Right there.
Dad, I got slippers.
Oh wow.
Do they fit good?
Yeah.
I have some. Oh, they fit perfect.
Wow, that's great, Sophia. Now you can help mommy clean up.
Yeah.
That's all this paper. Ooh, this is Bailey's.
Bailey's.
Bailey's in Malibu.
Wow. Love how we can both spot the bottle without even seeing the front of the label. How do you know that?
To me.
Okay, Andrea, she's opening up the big gift.
Friend of a friend. Friend.
Here we go.
Oh wait, you wanted to save this, didn't you?
For when? Save it for when?
Oh, because the wrapping so nice. They don't ruin the wrapping paper.
Oh,
Where are
just...
you from?
Sorry.
Let's put it
Oh,
right here.
my
This is
gosh,
about
there we go.
opening
You
up
get more
the gift.
presents right here.
You wrap it too good.
That's really good.
Hey, Mom.
Do you ship
What
them
else?
Do you like it?
Yes.
packaging tape?
She actually did.
Sophie, here.
Entry, I don't
You're not supposed to open it. You're supposed to look at the wrap it. So it has 3 lobes.
She might need to wake up a little. I need a knife. I need a knife.
I don't want to wake up, Mom.
I know.
It says, for you.
Package this thing for freight shipping across the universe.
Easy just for something. Happy holidays. These are for some little thing that Santa might say.
How'd you get her in her dress already?
Oh, I needed a Christmas picture, so I just put her in her dress and took a picture and pretended.
Very good.
A lot of goodies in here. Oh.
With bare feet.
I know, I didn't
I like
put the
that.
tights on.
Isn't that cute?
Oh wow.
It's like a half sweatshirt. It's
my
kind of
goodness.
big. We're gonna have to return it.
Wide.
It's large.
Wow.
Oh, that'll look cute.
Yeah. It is cute. Once you return it, you'll like it.
That looks like a dancer.
Yeah, something you'd wear over something else.
Well, that's kind of appropriate. She's dancing. Oh wow.
Is that my last one? That's the last one? What's from there, Sophie?
Who's it from?
Oh. What's that, Sophie?
I'm taking pictures. I'm not gonna hold
That's
up
from
for
back
that.
too.
Oh, you got
Me.
There's more.
Aww.
There's more stuff in there.
Yeah, sweatpants. Yes,
Oh my.
Oh,
You just threw it, Sophie. Look inside that paper.
yes.
This thing you just threw.
Cute.
Thank you. You're welcome. Oh my gosh.
That might actually go with the purple top.
Yeah.
Where's my camera?
Oh, she's a
Oh,
little
look at this.
Minnie Mouse. A
Christmas.
Santa, a Christmas Minnie Mouse.
One more in there.
Oh, it's Mickey. Let's see your mini.
You hold up Minnie and
Pick up your mini.
Minnie's over there.
Pick up your mini. Let's see, Sophia.
Okay, show Grandpa.
Let me see.
Hold him. You are a good picture taker.
All
Picture
right.
poser.
Can you look at Mama?
Hold on. Let's hold on.
Okay.
One thing at a time.
I got it.
Oh, you're
Did you? Okay. All right,
I'm
your turn.
video. I'm gonna have to merge all these
All my
videos.
talking. Or, sorry,
Sophia, can you look at Mommy
Yeah,
now?
edit
get
out
rid
your
of my
talking.
talking.
Here,
Did
stand
you even open
back
that?
up a tiny
Because it
bit.
wasn't totally
Right there. Okay, say cheese. Hold up Mickey and Minnie.
Hold them both up.
Hold them both up.
The sweatshirt is really comfortable.
There you go. Just like that.
That's my
Some
kid.
more.
Scoot over just a tad. Right.
Tried it on.
There's a couple things that I wanted,
Baby.
you know, for myself.
Okay. Cheese. Time.
Your pasta is such a
Okay.
good deal. I just
Oh,
I have
that's
to get more.
adorable.
She really likes her broom.
Well, that's great.
Great.
Like your room.
And that's too.
That'll keep her busy while you're tending to Mila.
Maybe once you wash it, maybe it'll kind of shrink up.
It'd make it great just to wear around the house.
Yeah.
Sophie, you're
Oh yeah.
you're not done yet. See that right there, the little box with the...
So where are we gonna put all this stuff? We're gonna have to purge some of the old stuff.